Well, y'all, I'm going to start a video recording my journey with the cancer that I have and keep y'all informed of what's going on. Uh, I've been doing some research on YouTube and internet about what to expect with radiation and chemo treatment. And they say toward the last of the treatment of radiation, you start getting a little sicker. It's like, like basically like a hard to swallow, things like that. But it's nothing, weird or anything. But I'm going to start a video like this and keep y'all informed of what's going on. This is going to be a journey. I really want it to be a journey for me, not so much as to put weight on Pat. Pat has helped me tremendously, and she's don't need any more of my weight of my bricks of my life put on her. But she's very good at being there, helping me, and I'm glad I'm not going through this alone. I looked on Facebook and I realized that in my corner of life, I have tons and tons of great people, family and friends. That's the elite that God chose to be in my life at this time. That I can't believe y'all on there wishing me prayers, wishing me happy feelings, and y'all the best. Uh, Never thought I would have got 5 responses, but I looked on there. I couldn't believe how blessed I am to have y'all in my life. And I want to say this to my granddaughters. Y'all mean the world to me. And y'all know, all y'all other people know, my sons and family and friends all know y'all mean the world to me. But my granddaughters are young, and I need to be there for them, and my great granddaughter. So I'm going to start a journey and sharing my feelings and thoughts and how I'm doing. So I hope I do pretty good, but I hope it helps someone else. Don't drink and smoke, people. Give it up. It's just a way to blow your money to damage your life. What we do in our life is when we're young, we damage our health. Then we, in our old age, we spend our old age trying to repair what we've done. Yeah. But anyway, just look forward to more videos, and I hope y'all like them. And God bless.